Welcome to this video of Flutter Widget of the Week. In this video we're gonna take a look at how we can actually send this text a little bit up and this button. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use another widget which is just spacer. It's just also just like save area. So what I'm gonna, let me just uncomment this one, then I run the app, and then so let me run it again once more. I'm now running the Flutter on web. So this is, I'm not running it on web. So let me, it's running. So let's see. So have you seen? So guys, this is also the mobile, this is the web. So guys, this is all I wanted to share with you guys today. So this is just a very simple app. I just loop various array. I just use array to loop some few code. This is my list of code. I just, each time you click this button, you have to change the image, you have to change the text. Same like this one also, it's changing, just like that. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, and until then, see you guys.